Right. So we were discussing about the median. Here, what do you mean by this L? Before that, if we need to find the median value for a given group frequency distribution, what is the first thing we need to do? අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලා මොකද කරන්න ඕන? First, we need to know what is exactly our median class. මේ දීලා තියෙන class interval 6න් අපේ median class එක මොකක්ද කියලා අපි හරියටම ඉස්සෙල්ලා අඳුන ගන්න ඕන. Right? First, we need to know our median class. Median class එක දැනගන්න ඕන. Right? How to find the median class? Median class එක හරියටම හොයාගන්නේ කොහොමද? තියෙන item ගාන නැත්නම් තියෙන observations ගාන අපි දෙකෙන් බෙදනවා. Right? තියෙන observation ගාන දෙකෙන් බෙදුවට පස්සේ කීයක් එනවද? 50 divided by 2. 50 divided by 2. The answer we will get is 25. එහෙනම් where is my 25th? මගේ 25 වෙනිය ඉන්නේ කොහෙද? Right? Where is my 25th? 25 වෙනිය ඉන්න තැන හොයාගන්න නම්, right? What is the thing I need to do? මෙහෙම බැලුවට මගේ 25 වෙනිය මට එකපාර පේන්නේ නැහැ. 25 වෙනිය හොයාගන්න නම්, yes. We need to know or we need to find CF values. නැත්නම් අපි මෙයාට කියනවා මොකද්ද? Cumulative frequencies. සමුච්චිත සංඛ්‍යාතය, right? Cumulative frequencies. Yes, cumulative frequencies. Cumulative frequencies වෙන කොහමද? ඉස්සෙල්ලම තියෙන frequency එක 4යි, right? ඊට පස්සේ එක්කනට කලින් 4යි, මේ 11යි 15යි, right? 32, like that. Right? These are cumulative frequencies, right? ඉස්සෙල්ලම 4, ඊට පස්සේ 4 plus 11 15, 4 plus 11 plus 17 32, 4 plus 11 plus 17 plus 12 44, right? Another 4 48 ඔය විදිහට, right? Cumulative frequencies, සමුච්චිත සංඛ්‍යාත. Right. Now by looking at this column, cumulative frequency column, tell me where is my 25th observation? මගේ 25 වෙනිය ඉන්නේ කොහෙද? Between what range? Right? Is it 2 to 4? Yes, right? පළවෙනි 4 දෙනා ඉන්නේ මේ range එකේ. 5 වෙනියගේ නම් 15 වෙනිය එනකන් ඉන්නේ මේ range එකේ, right? From 16 to 32nd, right? It is between this range. 16 වෙනියගේ නම් 32 වෙනකන් observations තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ range එක ඇතුලේ. එහෙනම් මගේ 25 වෙනියත් ඉන්නව ඇත්තේ මෙන්න මේ range එක ඇතුලේ. Therefore, my median class is 2 to 4. This is my median class, right? 2 to 4. 2 to 4 තමයි මගේ median class එක. Right? That is the first thing we need to do if we need to find the median value for a given grouped data set. Right. Now we need to apply the figures. Formula එකේ තියෙන එක එක items වලට අදාළ figures apply කරන්න තියෙනවා. Right. What is my L value here? A capital L කියලා මෙතන පෙන්නන්නේ මොකද්ද? Lower class boundary of the median class. අපි මේ හොයාගත්ත median class එකට අදාළ, right? Lower class boundary එක, right? මේ තියෙන class boundary is the class limits, right? These are class boundaries. So what is the lower class boundary of this one? This is our median class. මෙතනට අදාළ lower class boundary එක කීයද? Yes, right? Lower class boundary value is 2. This figure. It means our L value should be 2. Right. Here, what is our N value? N value එක කීයද? N means number of observations. So how many observations we have? Total of 50. Right? N divided by 2. It means 50 divided by 2. What is this value? Capital FME. right? I have told this one capital F කිව්වොතින් අපි refer කරන්නේ frequency column එකද cumulative frequency column එකද, right? Capital F කිව්වොතින් we need to refer cumulative frequencies. Yes, cumulative frequencies, right? එහෙනම් what is the idea of this one? මෙතනින් අදහස් වෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? median class එකට කලින් class එකේ cumulative frequency එක, right? This is my median class. මෙයාට මේ class interval එකට කලින් එකේ cumulative frequency එක. This one, right? Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Median class එකට කලින් එකේ cumulative frequency එක, right? The value is 50. Capital F තිබ්බොතින් cumulative frequencies. Simple F තිබ්බොතින් it is about just frequency, right? So simple FM means frequency of the median class, right? Frequency of the median class. Median class එක අපි හොයාගත්ත ඉස්සෙල්ලම එහෙනම් median class එකට අදාළ frequency එක, right? Median class එකට අදාළ frequency එක 70. That is our simple FM value. And this we need to multiply by C. C stands for what? C stands for class width, right? Class width එක හොයන්නේ කොහමද? Class width එක හොයද්දී අපි, right? Class midpoint නම් අපි class limits refer කරත් එකයි, class boundaries refer කරත් එකයි. But if we need to find class width, ඔය C වලින් කියලා කියන්නේ class width එක. නැත්තම් පන්ති ප්‍රාන්තරය, right? කොහොමද හොයන්නේ? Class width එක හොයන්න නම්, right? We need to refer on class boundaries, right? The difference between the upper class boundary and the lower class boundary we can identify as our class width. අපේ median class එක මේක, right? Median class එකේ upper class boundary එකෙන් lower class boundary එක අඩු කරාට පස්සේ value එක තමයි class width එක වෙන්නේ. Yes, right? So the upper class boundary value is 4, lower class boundary value is 2, 4 minus 2. Therefore our class width should be 2. Right, now simplify and tell me what should be the final answer. Here then 3.176, right? 3.17. This is our median value, right? Median value. Right? So this is the first thing we need to do. If we need to know the median, first we should determine what should be our median class. එல்லாம் මෙන්න මෙයාව කරගෙන ඉන්න ඕන. Median class එක මොකක්ද? Right? 3.17. Yes. Right. Then part C, we need to find the mode value for this given data set. I will have it here, right? See, mode value. කොහොමද හොයන්න පුළුවන්? What is the formula we need to use? Individual data set එකක් නම් ඒක straightforward. But if we have given with a group frequency distribution, then we need to apply a formula, right? What is the formula we are going to use? F1 minus, right? F1 minus F0, right? This F values are in simple F the capital F, right? Simple F. Again, frequencies දිහා විතරයි බලන්නේ. Right? Divided by 2 into f1 minus f naught minus right. This is the formula we are using to calculate mode value in a grouped frequency distribution, right? Group frequency distribution එකක් දුන්නොත් this is the formula we are using to calculate the mode value, right? Here, like in median, what is the first thing we need to do here? මෙතනදී අපි මුලින්ම කරන් ඉන්න ඕන දේ මොකක්ද? What is the first thing we need to do here? Median හොයද්දී අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලාම කරේ median class එක හොයාගත්තා. Mode එක හොයද්දී first we should know what is our model class, right? මේ model class එක හොයාගන්න ඕන. Model class එක හොයන්නේ කොහොමද? Model class means what? Class interval with highest frequency, right? Class interval with highest frequency. This is what we call our model class, right? So what should be our model class here? Yes, highest frequency, highest value, yes, right? So the highest frequency is 17, right? අපිට දීලා තියෙන observations වලින් වැඩිම frequency එකක් තියෙන්නේ 17. 17 belongs to this class interval 2 to 4 කියන class interval එකට තමයි එයා අදාළ වෙන්නේ. Yes, 2 to 4, right? So our model class is 2 to 4. This is our model class, right? This is the first thing we need to do, determine the model class. Now we can apply the figures, right? Here, what is the L value? L means lower class boundary of the model class. In a model class එක මේකට අදාළ lower class boundary value එක 2, right? 2 is the lower class boundary of the model class, right? F1 කියලා කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? We have F1, F0 and F2. What do you mean by F1? 17. Yes, F1 කියලා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? අපේ model class එකට අදාළ frequency එක තමයි අපි F1 කියලා දාගන්නේ. F0 කියලා දාගන්නේ මොකද්ද? අපේ model class එකට කලින් එකේ frequency එක. This is F0. This is F1, right? This is F2. Model class එකට පස්සේ class interval එකට අදාළ frequency එක තමයි අපි F2 කියලා පෙන්නන්නේ, right? So this is F0 value 11. This is F1 value 17. This is F2 value 12. Right. So F1 value is 70. Right. F1 value is 70 minus F0 value. Right. Minus F0 value. Right. F0 value here. What is the F0 value? Right. Model class එකට කලින් එකේ frequency එක 11. Divided by 2 into F1, right? 2 into F1. F1 value is 70 minus whatever. Right here. L value is 2, F1 value is 17, F0 value is 11, 2 into F1 17 minus F, right, F naught. Right. right? F0 value is 11, F2 value is F2 කියලා කියන්නේ model class එකට පස්සේ class එකේ frequency එක 12 into C class width කියලා කියන්නේ upper class boundary එකෙන් lower class boundary එක අඩු කරාට පස්සේ it means here 4 minus 2 same as the previous class width is 2, right? So what should be the final answer? 3.09, right? 3.09, right? Yes, 3.09. Okay, right? Mean, median and mode value, right? Part A, part B and part C, right? Then we need to find part D, quartile deviation, right? Quartile deviation එක හොයන්න ඕන. Part D, quartile deviation, what is the formula? Quartile deviation එක හොයන්නේ කොහොමද? Right? Quartile deviation equals to what? Yes, Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Q3 minus Q1, Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Right? Q3 minus Q1 විතරක් තිබුතින් අපි කියනවා interquartile range. Interquartile range එක දෙකෙන් බෙදුවට පස්සේ අපි කියනවා quartile deviation. Right? Therefore, we need to find quartile values, right? Quartile values are known. Come the quartile values here, right? Here, how can we find Q1 value? Q1 value. වෙනම හොයන්න ඕන, Q3 value හොයන්න ඕන, right? Q1 value na 2 n divided by, දැන් මෙතන 2 නෙවෙයි, එක වෙනස මොකක්ද? මෙතන 4, right? Q1, right? Q1. This is the formula we can use to find the quartile values, right? Here, Q1. What is the first thing we need to do? Yes, first, like in mean and mode, we need to find the Q1 class. මෙතනින් Q1 class එක මොකක්ද කියලා අපි හරියටම determine කරගන්න ඕන, right? How to find the Q1 class? Q1 class එක හොයාගන්නේ කොහමද? How can we find the Q1 class? Q1 class අර class interval හයින් මොකක්ද Q1 class එක කියලා බලාගන්නේ කොහමද? n divided by 4, right? Here n means 50, 50 divided by 4, it is here 12.5, right? So where is my 12.5th observation? Right? Where is my 12.5th observation? මෙයා කොතනද ඉන්නේ? මොන range එක ඇතුලේද? Right? By looking at the cumulative frequency column, සමුච්චිත සංඛ්‍යාත දිහා බලලා අපිට තීරණය කරන්න පුළුවන්. 12.5 වෙනියා ඉන්නේ කොහේද? Right? 5 වෙනි එකේ ඉඳන් 15 වෙනිය වෙනකන් ඉන්නේ මෙන්න මේ රේන්ජ් එකේ. එහෙනම් අපේ 12.5 වෙනියත් ඇත්තේ මෙන්න මේ කියන රේන්ජ් එක ඇතුලේ. right 0 to 2. Yes, 0 to 2. Right. So here now we need to apply the figures. Yes, 0 to 2. Right. What is the L value here? Right. Q1 class එක හොයාගත්ත එහෙනම් Q1 class එකේ lower class boundary value එක. Right. It should be 0. Plus the value of n is 50 minus what should be the value of this one? FQ1 value එක කීයක් වෙන්න ඕනද? මෙන්න මෙයා තමයි Q1 class එක මෙයාට කලින් එකේ මොකද්ද? Cumulative frequency value එක. It means 4. Right? 4 divided by simple FQ1. ඒ කියන්නේ simple F නම් frequency. Q1 class එකේ frequency එක. This is our Q1 class. The relevant frequency value is 11. Right? Therefore, we need to divide this by 11. Into class width ගන්න upper class boundary minus lower class boundary. The answer is 2. Right? So what should be the Q1 value? 1.54. Akil had nේද 1.54 නේද? Yes, 1.54. Right. Then like that way Q1 we have found. We need to find the what Q3 value as well. Right? Q3 value එකත් හොයන්න ඕන. Q3 value. Right? Q3. For that also we need to find at first the Q3 class. මුලින්ම Q3 class එක හොයාගන්න ඕන. Right? Q3 class එක හොයන්න කොහමද? 3 into n divided by 4. 3n divided by 4. Yes, 3n divided by 4. It means what? 3 into 50 divided by 4. Right? 154 බෙදුවට පස්සේ here 37.5. 37.5. 37.5 in a class interval එක මොකක්ද? It is the class interval. Right? 37.5 වෙනිය ඉන්නේ කොහෙද? Right? 33 ඉඳන් 44 වෙනිය වෙනකන් ඉන්නේ මේ රේන්ජ් එකේ. එහෙනම් අපේ 37.5 වෙනියත් ඇත්තේ මෙන්න මේ රේන්ජ් එකේ between 4 to 6. Right? Based on the cumulative frequencies we can decide. Where is my 37.5th observation? It should be between 4 to 6. Therefore, lower class boundary value is 4. Right? Lower class boundary value is 4. The value of n is 50. Right? Here, it should be 3n. Right? 3n. 3 into 50. 3 into 50 divided by 4. Capital FQ1 කියලා කියන්නේ ඔය හොයාගත්ත Q3 class එකට කලින් එකේ cumulative frequency එක. Right? මෙයාට කලින් එකේ cumulative frequency value කියලා කියන්නේ 32. This should be 32 divided by this one frequency of the Q3 class. Frequency of the Q3 class. It talks about this value 12. Right? Q3 class again frequency 12. Into class with 4 minus 2 should be 2. What should be the final answer? 4.91. 4.91. Right? 4.91. Then now we know the Q3 value and we have found the Q1 value as well. So now we can apply those figures here to find the quartile deviation, right? Q3 value was 4.91. Q1 value was 1.54. We need to divide the answer by 2. So what is the quartile deviation value? What should be our quartile deviation value? 1.685. Right? 1.685. Right. That is quartile deviation, right? And in part E, we need to find variance, right? Variance no. Right, to represent variance, can you remember the symbol we are using? Right? Variance we denoted by this one, right? The symbol. How can we find the variance value? There are two formulas where we can use. What? එකක් තමයි මොකක්ද? Right? Sigma. Since this is a group frequency distribution, we can use sigma f x squared divided by sigma f minus mu squared, right? We can use this formula, or else there is another one. මතකද? එක මෙයාව පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් what is the other one? Sigma f into x minus sigma f into x minus x bar squared, right, divided by sigma f, right? We can use any of these two formulas. මේ formulas දෙකෙන් ඕන එකක් පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්, right? What shall I use? Formula number 1 or formula number 2? ඔයාලා මේ දෙකෙන් familiar මොකද්ද? Formula number 1 ද formula number 2 ද? second one, right? So I will use this sigma f into x minus x bar square divided by sigma f. Right here, first what we need to do, we need to find the x bar value. X bar means the mean. Mean we already have found. Mean value is 3.28, right? X bar value. Then x minus x bar, right? X minus x bar values tika consider karanna ඕන, right? X minus x bar, right? X minus x bar. Right? X minus x bar. X minus x bar values ගන්න කොහමද? How can we find this column? X minus x bar column එක, right? Here x value is minus 1. From that we need to deduct x bar value. X bar value we have already found 3.28, right? 3.28 minus 4.28. Yes. Right here x value is 1, x minus x bar, right? X bar value is 3.28. Here x value is 3 minus x bar value is 3.28. Again here x value is 5, x bar value is 3.28, right? X minus x bar, x minus x bar. This is our x minus x bar column. Then what we need to do, x minus x bar වල මොකක් කරන්න ඕනද? වර්ගය ගන්න ඕන. X minus x bar වල වර්ගය, right? We need to find the square value of this. X minus x bar වල වර්ගය. Right. 0.0784. What is this? Right. මේ අප ගන්න කොහමද? මේ හොයාගත්ත එක වර්ග කරාට පස්සේ කියන්නේ එයා වායේ එයාගෙම වැඩි වෙනවා කියන එක. Right? මෙයාගේ වර්ගය. Right? Minus 2.28 වල වර්ගය. 0 minus 0.28 වල වර්ගය. Right? X minus x bar squared values we need to find. And then what we need to do? Right? මෙතන නවත්තින්න පුළුවන්ද? බෑ. ඇයි? x bar හොයාගත්තා, ඊට පස්සේ x minus x bar column එක හදාගත්තා, ඊට පස්සේ ආව වර්ග කරා, ඊට පස්සේ මොකද කරන්න ඕන? මේ හදාගත්ත එක මොකෙන් වැඩි වෙන්න ඕනද? f වලින් වැඩි වෙන්න ඕන, right? Then we need to consider the sigma value, right? So we need to multiply this one by f. F into this one, right? F value is here, f into x minus x bar squared value 18.3184. This should be the answer, right? Here also the same. F වැඩි කරනවා x minus x bar squared value, right? What is the total here? The total value is 288.08, right? Sigma f into x minus x bar square, right? 288.08. The value here, 288.08. Divided by sigma f. Sigma f value we know. It is 50, right? Therefore, what should be my variance value? Okay, variance value එක කීයක් එන්න ඕනද? 5.776, right? 5.776 should be my variance value, right? මෙතන step by step යනවා. ඉස්සෙල්ලා x bar හොයා ගන්න ඕන. x bar we have already found. Then ඊට පස්සේ x minus x bar column එක හදා ගන්න ඕන, right? x minus x bar column. Then x minus x bar column එක වර්ග කරලා x minus x bar squared value එක හොයා ගන්න ඕන. Then that one we need to again multiply by f, frequency column, to find the sigma value, right? So our variance final answer is 5.776, right? We have found the answers for part A, B, C, D, and E, right? Right. Part 3. Right. Part 3 wala pe මොකක්ද අහන්නේ? Right here. The salaries for the staff of ABC manufacturing company in descending order are given in the following table. Right? ABC manufacturing කියන company එකේ එක positions වලට අදාළ පුද්ගලයන්ට ගෙවපු salaries දෙනවා. In which order? Descending order. ඒ කියන්නේ manager තමයි වැඩිම, ඊට පස්සේ engineer ට, ඊට පස්සේ යාට වඩා අඩු ගාණක් system analyst, technician, ඔය විදිහට, right? Descending order එකට දෙන්නේ. And what we have asked to find, if this company has to pay 19,000 rupees average and 20,000 rupees median salary for the staff, then calculate drivers and system analyst salary, right? Driver ge salary එකයි system analyst ge salary එකයි අපිට දීලා නැහැ, x and y කියලා දීලා තියෙන්නේ, right? So we have given two informations to find these values, right? Average එක 19000යි නම් median salary එක 20000යි නම් මෙයාගේ පඩිය කීයද? driver ගේ පඩිය කීයද? Right. Average means mean, right? Part 2. Right here. Part 2. Average value එක. Average කියලාත් කියනවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් අපි යාටම තමයි කියන්නේ mean value එක. Mean value is 19,000. Right? Mean value is 19,000. Median value is 20,000. Right? These are the two informations given. Right. Median value එක අපි හොයන්නේ කොහොමද? How can we find the median value? First of all, tell me, මේ තියෙන්නේ grouped frequency distribution එකක්ද නැත්නම් ungrouped frequency distribution එකක්ද එහෙමත් නැත්නම් individual data set එකක්ද? That is the first thing we need to decide. What is this? මේ තියෙන individual data set එකක්ද ungrouped frequency එකක්ද නැත්නම් group frequency distribution එකක්ද? What can you say about the distribution? What can you say about the distribution? Right? Individual the ungrouped the grouped. What can you say about the distribution? this is, yes, this is an individual data set, right? Individual data set එකක් නම් how can we find the median? group distribution එකක් වෙද්දී තමයි අපි මේ formula එකක් පාවිච්චි කරලා හෙව්වේ, right? මේ formula එක පාවිච්චි කරේ group frequency distribution එකක් දීපු නිසා. But now we have an individual data set. So how can we find the median value? කොහොමද? Right? Median value කියන්නේ කොහොමද? n plus 1 divide by 2, right? n plus 1 divide by 2. මෙන්න මේ කියන තැන තියෙන value එක, right? මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙන positional value එක තමයි අපේ median value එක වෙන්නේ. Yes. n plus 1 over 2. ඔය කියන තැන තියෙන value එක. Right. Now the median value is given, right? Median value is given. What is the median value? It is 20,000. Median value එක 20000. Right. n plus 1 divide by 2, right? n plus 1 divide by 2. ඔතන තියෙන positional value එක කීයද? Right? n කියලා කියන්නේ number of observations. How many observations we have here? Right? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 observations. It means 6 plus 1 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2 කියලා කියන්නේ 3.5. එහෙනම් 3.5 වෙනි තැන තියෙන අගය 20000ට සමාන වෙන්න ඕන. Right? n value is 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 divided by 2 3.5. එහෙනම් 3.5 නැත්නම් 3.5th place එකේ තියෙන value එක should be equals to 20,000. Right? How can we find the value in our 3.5th place? කොහොමද මෙන්න මෙයා හොයාගන්න පුළුවන්? 3.5 වෙනිය ඉන්න තැන තියෙන positional value. එතන තියෙන අගය හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් කොහොමද? Yes. Right here. 3 වෙනියගේ value එක x. System analyst ගේ value එක තමයි 3 වෙනිය තියෙන්නේ. 3 වෙනියගේ value එක x. 4 වෙනියගේ value එක 15,000. එහෙනම් 3.5 වෙනිය ඉන්නේ කොහෙද? x සහ 15,000 මැද. එහෙනම් x ගේ 15,000 වලයි මැද value එක හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් කොහොමද? Yes. How? Here. What we need to do? Right? x කියලා කියන්නේ 3 වෙනියගේ value එක නම් 15,000 කියලා කියන්නේ 4 වෙනියගේ value එක නම් 3.5th place එකේ තියෙන value එක වෙන්නේ මේ දෙන්නගේ මැද value එක. Right? x plus 15,000 divided by 2. x plus 15,000 divided by 2. Right? Now you can find the value of x. x විතරයි නොදන්නා පදයකට තියෙන්නේ. දැන් අපිට x value එක හොයාගන්න පුළුවන්. Right? What should be the value of x now? 25,000. Right? 25,000. Right? So this is the salary of whom? මේ 25000 කියලා කියන්නේ කාගේ පඩියද? System analyst ගේ salary එක. Right? x equals 25,000 කියලා කියන්නේ system analyst ගන්නව රුපියල් 25000ක පඩියක්. Again, a power cut is there.